Yo, what is up, gamers? It's your girl Hannah Montana coming at you again with a Logitech K120 Business UK layout keyboard review. Now, as you can see, it's a really good looking keyboard. No neon lights, unfortunately, but alas, some of us are epileptic and don't want to have a seizure. So we're going to go to the keys here, and those are very quiet. Like, if you want to make a noise, you have to go. So unfortunately, if you do like the loudness of mechanical keyboards, you will have to slam the keys quite hard. Now, I know that might be a pain to some because they really need the people there in Discord calls with the hear each key press to do. But, you know, I digress. It's a really cheap keyboard, which is really nice. I was going to clean it because it's actually disgusting at this point. But then I'm like, oh, I can just buy a new one, so it's fine. We'll go here to the USB 2. Thankfully not USB 3.0, otherwise we might have to just get rid of the keyboard because USB 3.0 is just trash. And yeah, that's really about it here, ladies and gentlemen. Don't buy mechanical keyboards, they're a myth, so is ASMR. You'll actually notice that the WSD keys are starting to wear away because I use them so much, looking up, you know, typical hentai categories. Dick girl, you know, anal, and sex demons. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Well, that's it for the K120 keyboard review. Would recommend. Again, just under £12 on Amazon. Link will be in the description, and thanks for watching. 5,000 likes, and there will be a Minecraft Let's Play uploaded next week, okay? Confirmed. Bye, ladies and gentlemen.